If you've ever been standing in front of your mirror with an outfit, wondering how to accessorize it, this video is for you. I'm Sheila, I'm a personal stylist, and I help women find the best styles that suit their body shape, their coloring, and their personality so they can dress well with ease. For the best style tips, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, and you'll be notified every Tuesday when I upload a new video. Today I'm going to show you just a little bit about accessorizing. How to know how much is too much, how to know what actually will enhance an outfit, and what will take away from it. Accessories are the icing on the cake, and how you wear them with your outfit can mean the difference of a wow outfit and an okay outfit, or maybe just a very terrible outfit. So don't forget the power of accessories. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you outfits, 2 smart casual, 1 evening, and I'm just going to show you the outfits first without jewelry, without accessories, and then I'm going to add jewelry. And mostly today I'm focusing on jewelry and to show you how to match it not only with the colors and shapes but also with your body shape. So let's get started. These are the first things you'll want to consider. When you're choosing a necklace, the first thing you want to consider is the length of the necklace and how that matches with your face shape and your body shape. So a short necklace creates a horizontal line. So that will make you look shorter. It will make the area wherever you put it look broader. And a longer necklace will create a vertical line, creating a longer look. The necklace you choose will depend first on your body shape and face shape. Now the same is true for body shape. So if you want to look slimmer, you would choose a vertical line, so you wear a long necklace. If you wanted to look larger, you would wear a rounded or a short necklace. Just think about the lines that the necklines are creating with these necklaces. It isn't quite as simple as this. Now let me throw a little bit more in there. It depends again on what you're wearing with your outfit. So let's say, for example, I have a long face, I have a long body, and I don't want to look any longer and make myself look any less curvy. So you would think that I wouldn't choose anything that's long because it's going to do that. But I can choose it if I have other parts of my outfit that will break up that line. So that will be something like boots, it would be belts, it could be anywhere where 2 colors come together, creates a horizontal line. So the more I have of those, then I can use or wear a long necklace and it will be okay. So that depends on your whole outfit and how it goes together. Your second consideration is the color. Choose jewelry, necklace color. So if it's a necklace that has actual color, choose one that's in your best colors. And especially since it's near your face, you'll want to have your best colors in that necklace. Also, a necklace that's in your best colors, and if you know what your best colors are, it will also match and blend into your wardrobe, so it will match other things. Jewelry is a lot like clothing pieces, and if you're a person who doesn't want to have a lot of jewelry, but you'd like to have a lot of functional jewelry, make sure you buy it in, and you're buying color jewelry, buy it in something that you can wear for different outfits. So let's say it'll match 3 outfits. And something else you could do is have the outfit already. Don't buy any jewelry, but then in your mind think about what would look good with this outfit. What kind of jewelry? What should I go look for? And then what else do I have that it would match? But usually we're in the store finding jewelry that looks really pretty. And many times, like clothes, you'll come home with that jewelry and it won't match anything. So think about your jewelry as much as you think about the clothes you purchase. So the next consideration is your metal. If it's silver, if it's gold, or if it's a combination. If you have a warm color temperature, you'll want to choose gold jewelry. If you have a cool color temperature, you'll want to choose silver jewelry. And if you are a combination, then you can wear either or you can wear them in combination. And you can wear them in combination anyway, no matter what your coloring is. But to look your best, stick to the color or the metal that is closest to your coloring. If you'd like to know what your color temperature is, I have a guide right here that you can download that will show you how to determine your color temperature. So first I'm going to show you some outfits without jewelry, so you can see just how bland they look when they don't have any jewelry, and then I'll show you how I put jewelry with them to make it come alive. This first outfit is jeans and a sweater. As you notice, no jewelry, so I'm going to show you what I will add to this to make it more impactful. So let's start with the jeans and a sweater. Now I've added a long necklace, and the reason I've chosen this necklace is because it's silver and the hardware on my jacket is silver, so it matches. And because I'm not wearing a belt with this, I pull the sweater down just a little bit to cover the top part of the jeans. And then I add a purse. And there's the outfit. So you might be wondering why I didn't add a belt. And the reason is that sometimes a belt clashes. So you can see right here that the belt is very close to the necklace in length, or where it comes together, and it's just too much with the hardware on the jacket and the belt and the long necklace. If it was a shorter necklace, it would work, but with the long necklace, it's just too much. And if you're in person, you would see it much more easily. Now you can see that these earrings are a little long for me. I used to wear them when my hair was longer. Because your eye follows lines, it's bringing my whole face down. This necklace doesn't match it either. So if I was going to wear earrings like this, I wouldn't have the necklace. Let's say that isn't there. Okay, I wouldn't wear the necklace. You can see this looks a lot better without the necklace with these earrings. So let me try different earrings. Now these are still, they're still big earrings, but they aren't as, they're round. Even though these earrings are dangling earrings, they're creating more width because they're round, and they're creating width there at my chin area. And when I wear something like this, the earrings like this, I wouldn't wear anything else to clash with it because it's so big that it takes up enough space on its own. And necklace with this would be way too much. So now let's look at the next outfit, a black skirt and a flimsy, silky, breezy blouse. First I've added a belt, and this belt has a little bit of bling, so this will make it more difficult to choose a necklace and earrings. So wearing a necklace with this is just a little bit too much because it clashes with the belt. Instead, I would just wear the earrings, and I've got small earrings with a necklace, but then I would get rid of the belt. So this handbag is a great addition to this outfit. It creates more interest, but it doesn't clash with anything. This next outfit is smart casual, just a sleeveless top and black wide leg pants. As you look at this, you'll see that it needs some color, it needs something, because it's just too bland otherwise. I've added a jacket. The jacket brings in color. And then for the jewelry, I've added a chain necklace. This keeps it smart casual, and it doesn't overpower the outfit. If you wanted to, you could wear a long necklace with this if you want to create more length. I rather a short necklace because I don't want to create that much length. Also, you could wear a belt and no necklaces. Now, if you notice this one, I have changed the jacket and I've changed the necklace. Now this necklace has a lot of color, it's very flashy, so it can't be worn with everything. But it can be worn with this pink jacket because it picks up the pink in the jacket. So if I wanted to add a print shoe with this outfit to, again, bring it some pizzazz, I wouldn't be able to wear that necklace because now, even though they're far apart, the necklace is still going to clash with the shoes. So in that case, I'd have to choose a necklace that is one solid color. And then nothing clashes. There's just so much to mixing and matching, like mixing and matching colors, prints, box shapes, and then match them with your body shape, that you're probably overwhelmed. Now, I know I give you a lot of information in these videos, but there is so much more. So if you'd like to know more about how all of this relates to your body shape and your coloring and everything about you, my Signature Style program will be opening very soon. In this program, I teach you the A to Z of how to get dressed, how it all goes together. Having your whole look personalized to suit your body shape, your coloring, your personality is a lot like buying off the rack versus buying tailor-made clothes. So if you'd like to know more about how to dress for your body shape, your coloring, how to mix and match, how everything from A to Z, send me an email and I will put you on the waiting list. So the next thing you want to know is how much is too much. Mainly, what you're looking for is that your jewelry items don't clash in color or shape or design. Also, that the colors you choose suit you and your personality and your coloring. And also the accessory shapes that you choose, your jewelry, make sure that that is flattering for your face shape and your body shape. I think less is better. So for example, when you wear a big bold piece of jewelry, you don't want to clash it with something else. If you wear something like a brooch, you don't want to make it clash with something else. One of the things you have to look for are belts, because they're easy to clash with other things. So if you might have bracelets, rings, earrings, necklace. You can't have all that at one time and not look overdone. So that would be too much. So just pick which ones you want to wear. So maybe you want to wear a bracelet and earrings. Maybe you want to wear a belt and just one and a pair of earrings, but not too much. 3 would be maximum. Over 3, you're wearing too much jewelry. Also, you want to consider that hair pieces and glasses are still accessories and they will count for a piece of jewelry. Thank you very much for being here. I really appreciate it. I hope that you've learned a little bit more about accessorizing, even if you just got one tip, and that you will look better the next time you put an outfit together. And until next time, keep on styling.